Right, so I'm just waiting for an attorney, so that'll just be a few minutes. All right, I have a gentleman, looks like you're in an attic. What is your name, please?
It's my bedroom. Caleb Simpson.
Okay.
Yeah, I got a nice view.
Oh, you do? Okay. What, who's your attorney?
Sam Bennett.
Yep, he just popped in, so let me bring him in.
Try and sit.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. So this is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Caleb Simpson. I'm sorry, I spelled it right. File number 2023-21367FC. I have Isaac Sneed appearing on behalf of the people, and I have Samuel J. Bennett, P79221, appearing on behalf of the defendant. This is the date and time set for a pretrial conference. Mr. Bennett, how would you like to proceed today?
Your Honor, I'm requesting one additional adjournment. Mr. Simpson filled out his paperwork to get into drug court. However, I don't think he's going to be accepted due to the time frame that's passed since his last use. So we're going to be working with the prosecutor's office to try to walk out a result here. So I would think maybe a couple weeks should be okay, Judge.
Okay.
We can do
have November 22nd or November 29th. What would work best for you, Mr. Bennett?
the 22nd will be perfect, Judge. Thank you.
All right. So, Mr. Simpson, I'm going to adjourn this to November 22nd for another pretrial. Mr. Bennett, if you work out an arrangement and your client wishes to avail himself of the plea, if you call, I can get you in on another day. So,
okay. Thank you. That sounds good. And
Mr. Bennett, you'll do the stipend order to adjourn. And Mr. Sneed, can you sign your name with permission?
Yes, thank you. Good morning, Sam.
Right.
Thank you. Thank you, Isaac.
Anything else, Mr. Bennett?
Nothing for me, Judge. Thank you so much for calling it so quickly because I'm in person somewhere. Thanks so much.
Not a problem. Thank you, Mr.
Have a great
Simpson.
day. Thank you. Talk to you soon, Caleb.
Yeah, bye.
Well, I can take care of you, Mr. Randalls. Let's see here. Did you have an attorney on the probation violation?
No, Your Honor.
No? Okay, you want to step up to the podium? This is in, this is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus William Randalls, file number 22-20779FH. So, Mr. Randalls, we're here on a probation violation.
Yes, Your Honor.
Well, all right, I show a show cause. So, what's this? Okay.
Your Honor,
Hold on one second.
Yeah.
Mr. Coast, are you here on Mr. Randalls as well?
No, Judge, I'm actually here on Pedro Hernandez and also Joel Harasco.
Okay. So, Ms. Adams, I have in my file, I have a request and summons for probation violation, which was filed on October 2nd and set for today for a show cause, but I have a violation of probation sentencing recommendation. I think this is the first, they changed the law, so now I hear misdemeanor cases. So I think, Ms. Adams, this was just provided in case?
Yes.
Is that what this is?
Correct.
Okay. Okay, that makes sense. All right, so you are William Randalls?
yes, ma'am.
All right, so Mr. Randalls, the allegation against you for this probation violation is that you did not report to probation to sign the terms after you were sentenced. Hold on, do you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do you understand you pled to a simple assault, so the maximum penalty if you were to plead guilty or be found guilty could be up to 93 days in jail?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so Mr. Randalls, you do have the right to have an attorney represent you at this and all subsequent hearings. If you can't afford to hire one, we will appoint you one at public expense.
Yes, ma'am.
Would you like an attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so go have a seat and then we will get an attorney to represent you, all right?
Yes, ma'am.
It'll be a while so you can get a drink of water, whatever it might be. It won't be right away.
I'll just come back in.
Yep. Should just be a few minutes. I'll bench for a minute. Mr. Jasper might have stepped in the hallway. Mr. Murphy, I have Mr. Jasper for arraignment, and he's in person, so. Great, are one of you a defendant?
We can proceed on the record, Your Honor. I don't need to speak with him.
Okay, good. Mr. Jasper, you want to come up to the podium? All right, come get your file. This is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Ernest V.T. Jasper, file number 23-21587FH. I have Isaac Sneed appearing on behalf of the people, and I have Matthew Murphy appearing on behalf of Mr. Jasper. Mr. Murphy, this is the date and time set for arraignment in this matter. Do you waive the reading of the felony information?
Your Honor, at this time, we would waive a reading of the information. We've received that information, the witness list, and the discovery demand from the prosecution in this matter. We're to ask for the court to enter a continue a not guilty plea for Mr. Jasper and set this case for pretrial. I am going to put in a request for the transcript today from the preliminary examination, and then as soon as we get that, I intend to file motions on the case.
Okay, so December, January, February. I give them up to 90 days to prepare transcripts. So can I set this for February 7th?
Yes, Your Honor. Obviously, if anything comes up between now and then, I intend to contact the court and try to have something in before then.
Right,
So,
if you get it sooner or anything of that nature. Miss Adams, could I get a notice of hearing for Mr. Jasper? Because
Yes,
he's in the courtroom February 7th at 8:30 in the morning. All right, so Mr. Jasper, I will enter a plea of not guilty on your behalf. Your bond conditions remain in place. And then we're gonna get you a notice of hearing, and then we'll see you back on February 7th at 8:30. Make sure you stay in contact with Mr. Murphy, okay? All right, very good. Just have a seat on that back bench or whatever, and Miss Adams will bring you a notice.
thank you, Mr. Jasper.
Thank you.
Okay, so, Mr. Murphy, all right, so I have a gentleman in back. Are you a defendant?
Yes,
What's your name?
Pete Byers.
Okay, and Mr. Murphy represents you, so why don't you come up to the podium? And ma'am, what's your name? Who's your attorney? Say it again. What's your last name? Denies. Okay, got it. All right, so Mr. My internet is unstable, it says. All right, Mr. Byers, let me grab your file. This is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Mead Jonathan Byers, file number 23-21531FH. This is the date and time set for pretrial. I have Isaac Sneed appearing on behalf of the people, and I have Mr. Murphy appearing on behalf of Mr. Byers. Mr. Byers is in person. So, Mr. Murphy, how would you like to proceed today on behalf of Mr. Byers?
Your Honor, it was my intention to ask the court to set a jury trial on this matter. If Mr. Byers wants me to do something else, I would ask for a breakout session with him, but I think at this point, that's what I was going to ask for, if that's okay with him.
So, Mr. Sneed, just for my notes, has a plea offer been made in this file? Or Mr. Murphy, somebody?
Yeah, Judge, it
Let me
looks like
pull.
a misdemeanor MDOP would have been offered back on September 22nd.
Is that 200 to 1,000, or
I
Less
suspect,
than
yes.
does that sound about right?
Yes, that
Mr.
was the offer, and if I recall, there was no statement that it was withdrawn from the examination, after the examination.
Okay. All right, so, Mr. Byers, you're charged with malicious destruction of personal property, 1,000 or more, but less than 20, which carries a maximum penalty of up to 5 years in prison and or a $10,000 fine. And you understand the plea offer is to a malicious destruction of property, 200 to 1,000, which is a 1-year misdemeanor.
Yes,
Okay, now your attorney is asking for a jury trial date. Is that what you would like?
yes, ma'am.
All right, so Miss Adams, I'm assuming this is about a 1-day trial?
I would anticipate, well, 1-day jury trial, Your Honor. Obviously, I can't, something might happen, but I think a 1-day would probably be sufficient.
Okay, Miss Adams, I'm looking for a 1-day jury trial in 2024. He is not in custody. And also give me the 24 book if you want me just to look at those dates myself. I can.
okay.
There's not much in there, so. Not much in there anyway, so. All right. Today's November 1. 23. So. I'm looking at Tuesday, February 13th at 9 a.m.
That
Good
works
for
for the
people.
defense, Your Honor.
And a final pretrial would be, let's go with January 10. No, hold on. Let's go with January 24. I will need jury instructions and voir dire questions to be provided to the court by January 17th. And I will make a final motion date for February 7. And Ms. Adams, could I possibly get a copy of this from Mr. Byers since he is here? All right, so we have a one-day jury trial scheduled February 13th of 24 at 9 a.m. Final pretrial January 24th at 8:30 a.m. And then I have the, can I just, thanks, one thing. All right, so sir, have a seat on that back bench. We'll get you a copy. Make sure you stay in contact with Mr. Murphy to help him prepare for trial, all right?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you. Yep.
Thank you, Mr.
Go
Byers.
right on that bench. Back up and sit right there. There you go. What'd you say, Mr. Murphy?
I just said thank you, Mr. Byers.
All right, is Kelsey Quinn in the courtroom?
Judge, is she in the courtroom or is she on Zoom? We talked
She might be.
yesterday.
Okay. Yep, hold on. I have an unknown phone in my waiting room, so.
Okay.
All right, anybody else have Matt Murphy as an attorney in the courtroom? No? Mr. Murphy, let's see, Pedro Hernandez in the courtroom? All right, Mr. Murphy, in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Pedro Hernandez, file number, are you Pedro Hernandez on the phone?
Yes, that's me. I'm here.
Perfect, perfect. All right. So, Mr. Murphy, H.I.J. Here we are. So, Mr. Murphy, in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Pedro Hernandez, file number 23-21526FH. I have Isaac Sneed appearing on behalf of Mr. Hernandez, and I have, or no, on the people, and I have Matthew Murphy appearing on behalf of Mr. Hernandez. This is a date and time set for a pretrial in this matter. Mr. Murphy, how would you like to proceed today?
Your Honor, I want to apologize. My computer is blipping in and out. I actually can't, the screen is blipping in and out, so I really can't see or hear what's going on. If we could just set this aside for a few minutes so I can figure this out, if that's possible.
Okay. All right. So, Mr. Hernandez, I'm going to pop you in the waiting room, and Mr. Murphy's probably going to restart his computer. All right.
Okay.
All right. I'm going to change your screen name. And let's see. There you go. Let me pop in the waiting room. Okay, so Miss Underwood, I have Corey Woolard, I have Darnez Johnson. Who would you like to start with? Mr. Mawad, I do not see your client yet, so.
I can start with Mr. Woolard.
All right, do you need a breakout room or are you good to go?
Yes, please.
Which breakout room? All right, I'm going to, and you said Mr., who did you say first? Woolard?
Yes.
All right, Mr. Woolard, I'm going to send an invitation to join a breakout room with Miss Underwood. Okay, so, all right, so lady in front, you said your attorney was Rhonda Underwood, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and you're waiting for court appointed, and you said Sam Malaro?
No, Jeremy Sneed.
Oh, you're not here for a case, you're just here to watch.
Right.
Just for future reference, if you don't want to drive, we're on YouTube too, so you can watch it.
Really? Oh, nice.
Yeah, if you go to YouTube and just look my name up, it'll pop up. All right, Ms. Underwood, let me bring Mr. Woolard back. Ms. Underwood, I also have a pickup. It should be a fast one.
I'm sorry.
And I also have a violation of probation who requested a court-appointed attorney, and it shouldn't take long, but he's in the courtroom, right?
Okay.
All right, so in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Corey Lee Woolard, file number 23-21450FH. I have Ron Underwood appearing on behalf of Mr. Woolard, and I have Isaac Sneed appearing on behalf of the people. This is the time set for a trial in this matter. Ms. Underwood, how would you like to proceed?
Your Honor, I think at this point, we're going to set this for trial.
Okay. How long do you need for trial? 1 day? How long do you need for trial?
It sounds about right, Judge.
Probably a day.
All right, and are you the attorney on this, Mr. Fleming?
I am, Judge.
Okay. All right. So, Mr. Woolard, what is your current out date?
Somewhere in 2029,
Okay.
around
All right.
August or so.
Okay. I didn't know if you were getting, up to the world right now. So let me check. Ms. Underwood, what about Thursday, February 15 at 9 a.m.?
February 15
At 9 a.m.?
That sounds okay.
so February 15 of 24 at 9 a.m. for jury trial. And then I'm going to set a pretrial for January 31 of 24 at 8:30 in the morning. I'm going to require that jury instructions be provided, exchanged and provided to the court by January 24.
What was that date, Your Honor?
January 24.
Okay,
And that'll be voir dire and jury questions. And then I'm going to make January 31 the filed and heard by motion date. So, all right, so I filled out a scheduling order, and Mr. Woolard, Ms. Underwood will be in contact with you to prepare for trial, all right?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, anything else we need to address today, Ms. Underwood, with Mr. Woolard? Am I not audible? Can you guys hear me?
very low, Your Honor, for some reason.
I can hear you just fine, Judge.
Okay, all right. All right, we'll see you back then, Mr. Woolard. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right, and I have Mr. Johnson. Do you need to talk to him?
Yes.
All right, so Mr. Johnson, I am going to assign you and Miss Underwood to a breakout room. Mr. Mawad, I still don't have your client. Do you want to try calling?
Judge, I did, but if I can just tell you, I can waive her appearance. I need one more date. I have to order a transcript from the termination proceeding, which may resolve this out. That's all I really need to do. Ms. Arnold and I have talked. Ms. Arnold and I have talked, and that's what we agreed to do.
Okay, so in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Kelsey Leanne Quinn, file number 22-21168FH. I have Elias Mawad appearing on behalf of Ms. Quinn, and I have Christopher Fleming appearing, or well, he's in the file. I have Isaac Sneed appearing on behalf of the people. So this is the date and time set for a pretrial. How far out would you like another one, Mr. Mawad?
Yeah, I would like to do this before the end of the year, maybe your last call before the end of the year. I'm going to order the transcript. I'm not sure how far behind they are over there in the family court division, but and Judge, it's possibly a noli, depending upon what was stated in the proceeding, in the termination proceeding.
All right, I do have December 27 at 8:30 available.
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Ms. Arnold and I, if we think that what is said in there is accurate, that possibly is noli. If not, we'll figure it out. That's fine.
All right, very good. Thank you, Mr. Mawad.
All right. I will prepare the STIP, and Mr. Fleming, Chris, can I sign your name? Or Isaac, whoever wants. Okay, great.
No, go ahead.
Thank you, guys. Okay. All right. Thank you. Bye-bye.
All right, thank you. So Mr. Fleming, you can hear me all right?
I can hear you just fine, Judge.
All right, I keep seeing my internet's unstable, so. All right, so Mr. Randalls, Miss Underwood will be up in a minute. And you're Miss Underwood, you're watching. Mr. Murphy logged out, never came back. Oh, now he's back. All right.
May not be able to hear me very well, but this was IT solution to my broken microphone on my laptop, so.
That's fancy.
Only the best for Lenawee IT, Judge.
All right, Mr. Murphy, how's your connection now?
It's fine, Your Honor. I think my computer was forced to an update. So.
Okay. All right, so we're back on the record in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Pedro Hernandez. Mr. Murphy, I do have a couple letters from Garen Coast. One is dated September 21, stating that he had received a report recently at that time that Mr. Hernandez had tested positive for cocaine and THC for Department of Health and Human Services, asking that his bond conditions be amended to require drug testing on colors, and that he's not to use or possess marijuana, cocaine, heroin, opiate, or any other controlled substance. So, Mr. Murphy, I would like to amend his bond to require him to test for colors and not to use any illegal controlled substances.
Judge, could he stay still there?
I'll do colors.
Hold on, everybody. Hold on, everybody. Stop talking for just a minute.
Could Mr. Hernandez stay still? There's something.
Okay, so Mr. Hernandez, can you stay still? Because we're kind of picking up wind and noise from you. Mr. Murphy,
Your Honor, the only thing I want to place on the record is I don't have any information about that. I would ask that the court provide whatever documentation was given to rely upon to obviously this is the first I'm hearing about it, so it wasn't brought to my attention, so I don't know where the information coming from.
That's why I'm telling you now.
Your Honor, may I speak? I have my medical card, Your Honor.
For not for cocaine or
No, that had to have been a mistake. That's why I've been doing it every week. I've been doing it every time I see them, and the last 2 times I was clean. That had to have been a mistake because they didn't properly give me my test. I've never
So Mr. Hernandez, I'm assuming you'll have no objection that I require that you not use cocaine, heroin, or any illegal controlled substance.
No objection at all. I'll do colors.
All right.
No objection.
Are you testing right now with DHHS?
Yeah, I do mouth swab right now.
How often?
I've been doing it for about 3 months now.
How many times a week?
I do it. They test me. I see them once a month, but we can figure out whatever you need to. But I do have my medical card. That's where the marijuana came from. But I don't know about the cocaine. I don't know about that. There's got to be a mistake because
Mr. Hernandez, no need to speak any further on the record, please.
Right. So, Mr. Coast, I'm going to amend his bond conditions to not use any cocaine, heroin, or any illegal controlled substance. And then, do you want him to do colors then, Mr. Coast?
I would, Judge, if I could just get a breakout room session with him and I could give him my number and we could figure that out.
So, Mr. Hernandez, I'm not ordering the marijuana. It's legal in Michigan and you're not here on a drug case, but I am going to order that you're not to use any illegal controlled substances and a test for Mr. Coast. He's my pretrial services coordinator. So when we're done here, I'll put you in a breakout room and he'll give you instructions, okay? Oh, he froze. Is that okay, Mr. Hernandez?
I couldn't hear you, Your Honor. I'm sorry.
I know you froze. So when we're done here in court, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Coast and he'll tell you what you need to do, all right?
Okay.
All right, so Mr. Murphy, this is the date and time set for a pretrial. How would you like to proceed?
Your Honor, if I could, I'll just ask for another pretrial, please. I need to speak with Mr. Hernandez, I guess, further. Again, I wasn't aware of this situation. I just want to see what was going on with that. And then, again, I just asked for another pretrial. The prosecution wouldn't object.
All right. Okay, how far do you want a pretrial?
Not that long, Your Honor. I don't think we need, very, very far, whatever the earliest one the court could find in the schedule.
Okay. So, Mr. Hernandez, I'm going to set you over to November 15 at 8:30 for a pretrial, all right?
Okay, Your Honor.
And Mr. Murphy, you'll prepare the stipend order to adjourn, and Mr. Sneed, can you sign your name with permission?
Yes, please.
All right, so I'm going to close on my breakout rooms. bring Mr. Johnson back, and then Mr. Hernandez, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Coast, okay?
Who am I?
Could I join on that, please?
Sure.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, so, Mr. Murphy, Mr. Hernandez, and Mr. Coast, go ahead and join that breakout room.
Thank you.
Yep. All right, so Ms. Underwood, we are back with Mr. Johnson. How would you like to proceed with Mr. Johnson?
Your Honor, I think we are going to be able to work out a plea bargain in all Mr. Johnson's cases. So I would just ask for a brief adjournment so that we can work that out and include any of his cases that are still in district court.
Oh, he has some cases downstairs? Okay.
I believe he may.
Okay, all right. So how far out would you like it?
Just not very far at all.
All right, so Mr. Johnson, I'm going to set this out to November 22nd at 8:30 in the morning.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And hopefully we'll have an update on your district court stuff. All right, Mr. Johnson?
Yeah.
All right, so Ms. Underwood, if you can do the stip in order to adjourn, Mr. Fleming, can you sign your name with permission? And then Mr. Fleming and Mr. Sneed, your office will do the writ. So, all right, you're all set, Mr. Johnson. Thank you.
I would. Thank you.
Underwood, I have 2 people in my courtroom that you represent. Did you want to run upstairs?
Yeah. I'll run up.
All right. And Miss Adams, would it be possible to get a copy from Miss Underwood of Mr. Randall's
Who is it,
paperwork?
Your Honor? I'm sorry.
I have let me find it. Cheyenne Dinius, and then I have Mr. Randall's. He's a pickup, and I have the paperwork right here.
Judge, I emailed that to her yesterday. If she didn't get it, I can send it again.
Did you send her the probation violation report too? Or sentencing recommendation?
Nope, just the show cause.
All right, I have that too. So Miss Underwood, if you want to run up, we can take care of that.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right, so does anybody have Mr. Malauer as an attorney? No? Who's your attorney?
Mr. Murphy.
Judge, all I have is Jeremy Sneed. That's all I have with you.
Well, he's in jail. So Miss Adams, could I get the jail Jeremy Sneed, and then I can get Joel Orozco?
Okay.
Oh, Mr. Murphy. Mr. Murphy, I have a gentleman in the courtroom. What's your name?
Jeremy Summers.
Jeremy Summers, right?
Yes.
Do you want to come up to the podium?
No, I have a meeting.
Mr. Hernandez, you're still in our.
What's up, man?
I got him. He's out. He's gone. All right, just stand at the podium for me. All right, this is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Jeremy Matthew Summers, file number 23-21529FH. Mr. Summers, let's see, we have Christopher Fleming appearing on behalf of the people. And I have Matthew Murphy appearing on behalf of Mr. Summers. This is date and time set for a pretrial in this matter. Did you go get your fingerprints taken?
Yes, ma'am.
Good job. All right, so Mr. Murphy, how would you like to proceed today?
Your Honor, Mr. Summers has been pursuing attaining his CPL. I was going to discuss with Mr. Fleming how that would impact an offer moving forward on the case. If we could adjourn this, I guess, briefly, or if Mr. Fleming wanted to talk to me this morning in a breakout, either way, whatever the court would prefer. Again, I just want to see what the status of that would impact a plea offer in this case.
Okay. All right, so, do you want to break out with me and Mr. Fleming?
If Mr. Fleming would like a breakout or be willing to do that, I would like to do that right now.
Doesn't look like he would, but too bad. So I'm
He doesn't
going
want
to,
to.
Well, the main problem is Mr. Sneed's case, and he just stepped away to get a cup of coffee. So if we can manage briefly, Mr. Sneed will be back, and I can handle anything else in the meantime.
okay. All right, I'll wait for Mr. Sneed to get back with his coffee. All right,
Thank
did you
you.
talk to Mr. Randalls?
Yes.
I have a probation violation report recommendation. Evidently, I forgot that's how they do that in district court. Well, just sit back on that bench and we'll be right with you. I need them just to take care of all this. But read it first, Ms. Underwood. Read it.
I read it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think this was.
Oh, I got the jail. Miss Underwood, could you approach? Come back over here.
And Mr. Sneed is back, Judge.
Okay. Here, you can come
This way?
Sure. Don't hit that. Watch your step. Okay. So, who do I have from the jail?
Jeremy Sneed.
All right, next, you, Mr. Murphy.
No, I have Mr. Malaro.
Oh, it's Mr. Malaro. Okay. Mr. Malaro.
Yes, Judge.
All right, so you represent Mr. Sneed?
Correct.
Not Isaac Sneed, but Jeremy Sneed.
Correct.
All right, this is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Jeremy Allen Sneed, file number 21-20208FH and 23-21384FH. This is the date and time set for violation of probation pretrial on file number 21-20208 and a pretrial on file number 23-21384FH. We have Salvatore Malaro appearing on behalf of Mr. Sneed, and I have, Mr. McCready appearing on behalf of the people. So, Mr. Malaro, how would you like to proceed today with Mr. Sneed?
Judge, if I could have a quick breakout with Mr. Sneed, then I think we're ready to proceed.
All right, so I am going to put jail room number 3 and Mr. Malaro into the breakout room. All right, so real quick, Mr. Isaac Sneed is back, right?
I am Judge.
Sarah, you're not muted. All right.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. I'm going to put, let's see, Mr. Sneed. Who represents, yeah, and let's see. Mr. Murphy and Miss Adams into a breakout room. And then I'm going to run back and talk to this.
All rise, please. You may be seated.
So, right, so you need a breakout room with him. So if you go in the hallway to the, yeah, I'm talking to you. If you go in the hallway and you turn left, there's like a podium with an iPad on it, and it has the instructions to connect to Zoom.
Okay.
Do that, and then I'll put you in a breakout room with Mr. Murphy. Is that good?
Sure.
Okay. If you can't do it, just come back and let me know and I'll send somebody out.
Thank you.
Judge, what case are you on? Who was that?
Summers.
Summers, thank you, Judge.
Yep, Mr. Summers. All right. Okay. So hold on, Mr. Murphy. Okay, hold on 1 minute. Summers. Mr. Sneed with Mr. Murphy. Done. See. All right, hold on. All right, Mr. Malaro, have you had a chance to talk to Mr. Sneed?
I have, Your Honor.
And what do you want to do with Mr. Sneed?
Your Honor, we're gonna ask to adjourn the violation of probation matter. And we're confirming the trial date. I think it's November 21st.
Okay. So we are set for trial on November 21st for 2 days at 9 a.m. Mr. Sneed is charged with criminal sexual conduct, 2nd degree, habitual offender, 4th offense notice. That is a 5-year felony. So if he's convicted at trial, it will be a life offense. So has a plea offer been made in this file?
There has, Judge.
Can I just wondered what it was.
I forget the exact plea offer, but I think Mr. McCready had indicated he wanted Mr. Sneed to do 3 years in prison.
Okay. Okay.
So Your Honor,
right.
there is a mandatory minimum of 5 years in prison if he's convicted. And also the habitual fourth puts his guidelines. He could get a minimum sentence of over 10 years.
Or life.
Correct. 10 years on the minimum under the guidelines, but yes, up to life. And so our offer was to dismiss the SUP. At that point, his minimum guidelines would be between 3 years, 36 months to 71 months.
And the people were looking for 36. Okay.
That isn't accurate, Your Honor. Our offer was 5 years. But we didn't
Oh,
ever
well,
get
you
a.
wanted 5 years then, sorry.
Okay, that's fine. All right, so this matter is continued to trial on November 21 of 2023. I would just ask if there is a resolution ahead of that, if you just schedule in, and we'll see you back for trial. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, Mr. McCready. I'll be over to talk to you Thursday or Friday, Mr. Sneed, okay?
Okay, thank you.
And Mr. Sneed, could you let them know I'd like to see Mr. Ratzko?
Mr. Rexville?
Yeah, Ratzko. Thank you. Okay, Randalls? Okay, Mr. Randalls, you want to come back up with your attorney? She'll get it back. I'll mail it back. All right, so Ms. Underwood, we are back on the record in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus William Jr. Randalls, file number 22-20779FH. This is a date and time scheduled for a violation of probation with the allegation that he did not report to probation to sign terms after sentencing and not pay towards fines and costs. Let's see, sentencing was, gosh, read back on the sentencing. Looks like. All right, and he sentenced on December 29 of 22. Okay, so you understand that basically this is dead time, but how would you like to proceed on behalf of Mr. Randalls?
Your Honor, I hesitate actually to officially plead Mr. Randalls guilty to a violation because Mr. Randalls, I think, did go in and report to Mr. Bobian, who was his probation officer in district court at the time, and was taken off that probation, completed that probation, and was told he had a new file. And Bobian said, well, we'll take care of that. And when he came back the next month, Mr. Bobian had retired and no one knew what was going on. I would state that Mr. Randalls did provide Mr. Bobian with proof of Social Security because I think the court waived, based on that representation, waived Mr. Randall's fines and costs. He's prepared to provide that again.
Yeah.
But that's where we are at the moment, Your Honor.
I don't know that I waived those though, because they're listed.
Yeah. So you made the comment that with proof of disability, court will waive court costs and fines.
Okay. All right.
He's prepared to provide that.
What do you have? What are you looking at?
I'll print off the internet, Your Honor.
Okay. Okay. All right. I don't have it on the order, but okay. So, okay. So, Mr. Randalls, what I'm going to do is I'm going to order you to go down to district court and sign your probation terms.
Okay.
And then I'm going to have Miss Underwood get a copy. Miss Adams, can I get a copy of this? And then I'm going to set this out a week just to verify you did all that. Is that all right?
Is there any, I live like an hour and a half away, Your Honor. Can I appear over Zoom next time?
The next time you can.
No, here, no
But you
worries.
couldn't today because I didn't know what was going on, right?
Right.
Okay. So, all right. My records don't show that, Miss Underwood, and I do vaguely remember that. All right, so Mr. Randalls, I'm going to adjourn this to next week, which will be November 8th. So Miss Adams, I'm gonna need a November 8th pretrial notice with Zoom instructions. That'll be via Zoom. Can you get that?
Yes.
I'm gonna make a copy of it, Miss Underwood. And so today, I want you to go downstairs and I want you to see the probation officer and sign your probation terms, all right? All right, I'll be right back.
When I signed into that out there, did it bring my picture up for the hallway kiosk? You guys notice?
You're having trouble with it?
Well, I signed in with the number on the top of it. That's the only number that I assume that we use it, and then it popped up the screen. I can see you guys.
Did you talk to your attorney?
And I would sign in. No, I haven't got to yet. I would sign in and it would bring you guys up.
I'm sure they'll help you out.
Then it would kick me out of there.
Let me go let somebody know you're having trouble with it. It's the one in the hallway?
Yeah.
Okay.
I was supposed to have a breakout room with Mr. Murphy, but
Okay, are you Mr. Summers?
Summers.
Okay.
Somebody be up.
Okay.
Be up there in a minute.
Okay, they'll be out there in a minute. Why don't you go out there and wait? Somebody's coming out, okay?
thank you.
You're welcome.
Private. All right, please. Be seated.
From district court.
Becky, could you have Miss Adams step out in the hallway to help connect to
Probation.
Zoom?
I
So
don't,
Mr. Randos, just go down there, take care of it. I don't know what they are. I'm not a district court.
okay? Okay. Now here's your notice.
Was he given a notice?
When,
Was he given a notice?
Mhm.
Okay, thank you,
for this
Judge.
case, and when to zoom in, and here are the Zoom instructions. Okay? Do you have the Zoom in?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Go right down to the district court.
Just go down to district court probation and hopefully they'll work with you today, all right?
Yeah.
All right. Mr. Murphy, I have Mr. Oh, no, Brenda, I have Joel Orozco.
Yes,
Okay.
I see him on the screen, Your Honor.
Yes, so do I. All right. Mr. Orozco, hold on 1 second. This is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Joel Jesus Orozco. I have Ron Underwood appearing on behalf of Mr. Orozco. I have Isaac Sneed appearing on behalf of the people. This is the date and time set for second pretrial. So, Ms. Underwood, how would you like to proceed with Mr. Orozco?
Your Honor, the first thing I would like to address is,
Huh? It's not working. All right, so, send him back in, Becky.
first thing I would like to address, Your Honor, is a bond condition that we have, that Mr. Orozco, if a rehab facility could be found, a lockdown rehab facility, that Mr. Orozco could be released to that. Unfortunately, Your Honor, there are no lockdown facilities.
There aren't any.
So, and Mr. Orozco's insurance would not pay for anything outside the state.
No.
So what I'm asking, Your Honor, is if a family member would transport Mr. Orozco, agree to transport Mr. Orozco to a rehab facility bed, and Mr. Orozco went to rehab, if he left rehab, that would be considered a bond violation, and he could be picked up. He is to report directly to rehab. Do not pass go, do not collect $200. And if he leaves, that is on him, and the court would deal with him accordingly. Would the court agree to that kind of arrangement, Your Honor?
Ms. Teskey, did we already send Mr. Orozco to a rehab facility? Ms. Teskey?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. Do you have him on probation now?
I don't.
All right. So we're here because he escaped from jail.
We are, Your Honor.
Okay. You know, that's something I could do as a term of probation, but I guess I don't really, I have some concerns about him being out on his own recognizance and coming back.
Ma'am, like I got other charges downstairs and they PR bound me to regular rehab too also. I went to rehab before last year, I completed it. I swear I'm not trying to do anything. I'm really just trying to go.
Okay, hold on, Mr. Orozco. So you were released on a PR bond in district court to go to rehab?
Yeah, to a regular rehab right now.
All right, Mr. Coast? Is that something we can look into?
Hey, I'm sorry, Judge, I was on the other court there. What is that?
So this is Mr. Joel Orozco, and Ms. Underwood is asking for us to release him to an inpatient facility.
Okay.
Is that something you could look into?
I can't, Judge. It's my understanding he would be eligible for CMH to interview him and see if we could get him a bed available.
All right, Mr. Sneed, do the people have any position?
No, I would defer to the court's discretion in dealing with Mr. Orozco, who's escaped a facility before.
Right. All right. So, Ms. Underwood, what I'll do is I'll have Mr. Coast. What is there a plea offer on this case?
The plea offer, I believe, is as charged, no subs. But Mr. Orozco also has a new case in district court, Your Honor, of a resisting and a drug case.
So he has a couple new felonies?
Yes.
Can I talk to Underwood real fast?
Probably not today. I'm running out of time here.
Ma'am, I promise like last time I went to it. I promise I'm trying to go train.
Well, no, that's not my problem, Mr. Orozco, is that it's just that you have a bunch of cases downstairs, and if they released you, that's fine. All right, I'll have Mr. Coast look into CMH and seeing if a facility is available. And then if he can find something, he'll come talk to me and I'll send that information. So I will consider it if we can find a bed. Ms. Underwood, when do you want the next pretrial?
Pretty soon, Your Honor.
About November 22nd.
There's an office.
November 22nd at 8:30.
That's great.
All right, Mr. Orozco, I'll have Mr. Coast look into that. And I'm going to set this for another pretrial on November 22nd at 8:30. Ms. Underwood, you will prepare the stipend order and sign Mr. Sneed's name with permission. Mr. Coast, what do you need from me? Ouch.
Nothing at this point, Judge. What I'll do is I'll go ahead and start the paperwork and see if he's eligible for services first.
Okay. All right. All right. Thank you, Mr. Rasco. We'll keep you posted.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
You too. Cheyenne. Okay. Mr. Murphy,
Yes, Your Honor.
our Zoom unit in the hallway is not working.
Okay, would
Are you
Mr.
in
Sellers be able to
person?
come over to my office?
Yeah. So do you know where his office is?
Yeah.
Do you want to walk over there and Zoom with him from there?
Sure. Office in this building or in his home office over there?
The one across from the nice courthouse.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, if you want to walk over there and you can zoom in from his office with him. Sorry about that.
No problem.
Thank you.
Thank you, Jerry.
All right, so Ms. Deniers, let me grab your phone. All right, this is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Cheyenne Nicole Deniers. File number, do you go Deniers or Deniers?
Deniers.
Deniers. File number 23-21547FH. We are here for pretrial and a contempt of court. So Ms. Underwood represents Ms. Deniers. And
what is the contempt of court
now? It's probably something district courts, you know. With those, let me see. I don't know, it says there's a contempt of court. Spellbound. Ms. Adams, I have a little posted in here that there's a contempt. Oh, I don't see one. Posted it. It had to come from district. So it looks like there was contempt of court failure to appear at arraignment on August 28th of 2023. I'm just gonna dismiss that because she showed up and she's been good ever since. All right, so I'll dismiss the contempt of court.
Thank you.
Okay, and so this is date and time set for pretrial. How would you like to proceed, Ms. Underwood?
I think at this point, Your Honor, another pretrial on the 22nd looks really good, because we should be able to resolve this. But I would just like to address a bond the no contact provision quickly.
Who's the no contact with?
Ms. Denias is going through parenting classes. She's here today with the foster care worker, Your Honor. And we would just like the no contact to be modified to supervise visits or anything CPS is comfortable with at this point.
All right, so ma'am, you want to step up here? Just step in front of that podium. Want to raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
What's your full name?
Macy Moore, MACY MOORE, and I am a foster care worker for Catholic Charities.
Okay, so there is an open investigation through CPS at this time?
Yes, but I am the foster care worker, so I'm
Right.
kind of the steps after.
Okay, and the recommendation through that court is for supervised parenting time?
Yes.
Okay, and you would have no objection if I amend our bond conditions to allow for supervised visitation?
The only thing I would like to do, if that's the case, is discuss it with the therapist, the child's therapist, before going forward with the visits.
Is reunification the goal?
Yes.
Okay, All right, so what if I amend the bond conditions to state that at the discretion of the therapist, the defendant can engage in supervised visitation?
That works for me, Your Honor.
Ms. Adams, is that all right?
Yes, that was supervised visits.
At the discretion of the child's therapist.
Okay.
Mr. Sneed?
People have no objection to that, Your Honor.
All right, very good. All right, we will amend the bond conditions to imply that. Will she need to stay here and sign those, Ms. Adams?
Yes, please.
All right, so thank you. Okay, so, all right, I will continue the bond conditions with that amendment, and I will set this for pretrial November 22nd at 8:30. Ms. Adams, could I also give a notice for Ms. Denias as well?
And I will prepare a stipend adjournment. It's not necessary.
No, because she's here in person, I like to hand the notice, so you don't need to do the stip. We'll do the notice, okay? So Ms. Denias, go have a seat on that bench back there, and we'll take care of it. All right. So Ms. Underwood, in the matter of,
I just got to talk to her when you get done.
oh, okay. In the matter of people of the state of Michigan versus DeAndre Morris, file number 23-21553 H. This is date and time except for pretrial.
Is it pretrial or an arraignment, Your Honor?
Hold on. Looks like it is an arraignment. Mr. Sneed, can you, I show that he was originally set for arraignment on October 25, and he did not appear from MDOC, on October 11. So we set it for October 25, and he didn't show up again. So we set it for today. Ms. Adams or Mr. Sneed, I don't know, I don't have writs in my file, but that doesn't mean anything, because they just probably could not made it to my file. So can anybody verify if there was a writ for today?
I'm checking now, Judge.
Thank you.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to follow up with our staff. I don't know why this isn't being done correctly. The notes in there to have the writ done for today with the Zoom information, Judge. So I don't see it in there. If it's not in the court file, then we'd ask to adjourn.
Okay, so I will set this out to November 22nd at 8:30. And Mr. Sneed, can you prepare the stip in order to adjourn?
Yes, Judge.
All right, so so we'll set this arraignment out to November 22nd at 8:30. And Ms. Underwood, can you sign your name and permission?
Yes, she can.
Okay. All right. So hold on a second. What else we got? Take some here. Mr. Morris. No. All right. So Ms. Underwood, that's it for you. My bailiff.
I have a hunch. Court Officer Lucy's gonna tell me they want me for my MDOC down the hall.
Yeah, he's acting up, so they want you to get down there and get him in the help.
Oh.
All right.
That's one of the reasons he's acting up.
Oh.
So.
Okay.
Okay. So do you want me to close your Zoom room downstairs or leave it open?
Yes. Could you please close that?
All right. Okay. So in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Kimberly Lorraine Robinson, file number 20-19924FH. This is date time scheduled for hearing on request and summons for probation violation. I don't. No, it looks like it was mailed to the right address. Ms. Robinson has failed to appear. I'm going to issue a bench warrant for failure to appear. Set bond in the amount of $1,250 cash. And if she shows up, she will take care of it. All right, so. Mr. Murphy, I also have Caitlin Whiteman. Mr. Murphy. Oh. Mr. Murphy will be back in a minute, I guess.
It's bulletproof, yes. Oh, I just had to get down there.
Yeah, there's a.
All right.
Oh, that's good.
Okay, so, Miss Adams, if you can let Mr. Glazier know that I have his 10 o'clock from MDOC available. All right, so, Mr. Murphy, I see that you have your client with you, so let me find this file. All right, this is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Jeremy Matthew Summers, file number 23-21529FH. Mr. Jackson, I just notified the PD's office that you were here, so we're just waiting for Mr. Glazier, okay?
Yes.
Okay, good. All right, so Mr. Murphy, how do you wish to proceed with Mr. Summers today?
Your Honor, at this time, I expressed to Mr. Summers what the offer